Welcome to our 3D AutoCAD designing tutorial series. There are two ways to create 3D objects. First is by using the menu bar and use your mouse to create the 3D object. But it's not a 3D paint. In engineering drawings, we need to design the objects of specific dimensions, and you need to know where your objects are located. That is why we'll use keyboard commands to create 3D objects. To illustrate, let's create a box. Start by making a reference point, which could be the origin, 0, 0, 0. Type box and press enter. Now, specify the first point where you want to start the box. For example, I'll choose 5, 0, 0. Press enter and then specify the second point, which could be 10, 10, 10. This will create a cube with a length of 10 units. On the right side we have basic navigation tabs. You can zoom in and out using the scroll wheel on your mouse or by using the zoom commands in the ribbon. Orbiting. This feature lets you rotate your view in 3D space. It's particularly useful when working with 3D models or when you need to view your drawing from different angles. Panning allows you to move your view around the drawing without changing the zoom level. Next, let's explore the Extrude command. This command allows you to give thickness to 2D objects or extend 3D objects in the Z direction. To use this command, first create a 2D object. Let's create a polygon, type polygon, press enter. Write the number of sides, let it be 8, write the center of polygon. Let it be 25 units along x-axis, 5 units along y-axis, and 0 units along z-axis. Next choose the option. Either it would inscribed in a circle or circumscribed in a circle. Write the radius of circle. To use the extrude command, type extrude. Select the object you want to extrude, and press enter. Specify the height or thickness you desire. In this case I kept the height equal to 10. Next explore the Loft command. This command will create a 3D solid or surface in the space between several cross-sections. Let's use this command. Try another way around. Let's do it in a different way. Take another example. Let's create a circle. Create a pentagon with same center as the circle. Create a hexagon with the same center. Now, move these objects along Z-axis using Move command. Now use the Loft command. Take another example. Now, use the Loft command using a path. First create the spline. Use the Loft command. Press enter. Now select the path option. Now, let's explore the Revolve command. Using this command you can create a 3D solid or surface by revolving the 2D or 3D curve around an axis. Let's use this command. To use this command, first create the object which you want to rotate, which will be circle in this case. Now create a line, which would be used as a rotation axis. Now select the Revolve command, select the object to be revolved, select the first point of line, and select the second endpoint. Now press enter. Now type the angle. Let's create another 3D object using this command. Select the polyline. Use the Ctrl-A to select the objects. Go to Modify Options and select the join. This will create a single object. Now draw the axis of rotation. Now use the Revolve command. Lastly, explore the Sweep command. This command creates a 3D solid or surface by sweeping 2D or 3D curve along a path. Let's create a spiral. Double-click to set the number of turns. Start radius, end radius and height. Now create a circle. Now select the object to sweep and choose the path.